beautiful Nicolettes, welcome back to my channel, or hello if you're new. So it is finally that time again where I have to buckle down and clean the room because you guys know that my room can look like a mess. I like to always set aside a day within the week. Usually it's a Sunday like today where I basically just do a deep clean and I do my laundry and just get my life together. Sundays are just the day to get my life together and get it back on track, if you know what I mean. Excuse the look, and I clean my room, I'm a mess, so just like my room. If you want me to do more, thumbs it up, as well as I just want to come up on here and give my post notification shout out, which goes to, and my Instagram shout out goes to, so thank you guys so much. I love you so much. And if you want to be a part of that, all you have to do is turn on the bell and comment with the hashtag post notification squad either on my YouTube or head over, follow my Instagram and comment on there and I may shout you out next. Let's do this thing. We're gonna start with that little mess, and I'm gonna actually take all the sheets off. We're gonna do laundry today. I like to clean my sheets once a week, so we're gonna take them off. So these are all clothes I should have put away, but I haven't yet, so we're gonna do that now. I like to separate them in piles. So this is my gym clothes, then I have more of my sleepwear, shirts I have to hang up, and then pants I have to hang up in the closet. Basket is empty, so we're gonna throw in the new clothes because I usually do laundry on Sundays. Once my laundry is running, I just like to clear everything off on all my desktops, and then I just like to do a little wipe down and then put everything back, of course. So I just like to do this for every single dresser I have because it can get quite a mess, and I just like to tidy it up and have not much on top of my dressers. At this point, it is time to get rid of all the mess on the floor because, let me tell you, it can get quite messy. my sheets are all ready at this point as well, so I'm just making my bed. Thumbs it up if you love the smell of fresh laundry because it is like my favorite thing ever. Almost half a day later and we are finally done. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thumbs it up if you want to maybe see a clean the closet video where I get rid of a bunch of clothes. I'd love to do that if you want to see it. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you're part of the family because I do upload every Wednesdays, Fridays, and Sundays. And hit that bell that's on the front of my channel so you are notified when I do upload those videos. But I hope you guys are having an amazing day, evening, or night whenever you're watching this. And I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye!